Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking corned beef. We're going to make this from scratch by brining our own brisket. You'll need a host of ingredients. I can't stress enough that having all your ingredients laid out before starting makes a huge difference in the time and speed it takes to cook. In a pestle and mortar, add 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 cinnamon stick broken in half, 2 fresh bay leaves, 1 if you're using dried, and about 8 cloves. Roughly grind the ingredients so the flavours can begin to release. Next, you'll need a large Ziploc bag. Add the spice mix followed by 1 cup of salt and 1 tablespoon of pink curing salt. Finally, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, then carefully add 2 cups of water. Place your cut of brisket in the bag. Push out as much air as you can before sealing the bag. Place in a tray and move the curing liquid around the meat. Sit the tray in the fridge for at least 5 days. Try to turn the bag over every day so the beef gets an even coating of that cure. After 5 days, remove the brisket from the bag. It should be a lot firmer and a bit darker in colour. Rinse with water to remove the brine and spices. Make sure you get as much as you can, otherwise you end up with a very salty piece of meat. Fill a large pot with water over high heat. Add a bay leaf, 4 or 5 cloves, a few black peppercorns, a pinch of mustard seeds, then carefully lower the meat into the water. Bring to the boil and remove any scum from the top. Once it's started boiling, turn down the heat to low and cover with a lid. Simmer for 3 to 4 hours. Your corned beef will be ready when you can easily push a fork through without any effort. Take it out of the water, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. There you have it, corned beef. Making it at home from scratch allows you to control the taste and the amount of salt. I have to say, this is some of the best corned beef I've ever had. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.